Now you have a well, it's the end of its life, and you want to decommission it. You want to abandon it. And you're looking for the silver bullet, which will solve all the problems in the world. So guess what? You're probably better off figuring out how to make choices. You're better off figuring out how to decide. It's a long journey, risk. Some wells are worth it, some wells are easy. It's about asking what technology can do for you. It's about deciding during the life of a well. It's about acting and planning before. I really invite you to attend the next Plug and Abandonment course by Fleming.